mission for tonight. This throttle bracket, because of the width of this carburetor, I don't understand how they just say this will bolt right up, because it won't. This bracket has to be, this is where it would normally bolt, right here. What I gotta do is I gotta move it over underneath the cable, basically one full hole, but keep it perfectly in line. So I gotta make a bracket for that. I shouldn't have to cut it, and it'll work perfectly, and then I have to lift it up a little bit. So that's one of our first projects for the night. I have to find some steel, and we'll go from there. I think what we're gonna do is, I need this extension. I need a piece longer that'll come out here. I need a hole width exactly. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark this, drill that hole. Then I'm gonna, once that hole's drilled and marked, I'm gonna slide this upper piece out till it overlaps that hole. When it overlaps that hole, I'm gonna get it straight in the truck, and I'm gonna weld the whole bracket fast. And that should do the trick. Let's see if we actually have a drill bit that'll drill this, though. This is some pretty heavy stuff right here. Apparently I found a drill bit. Yep, there goes the oil can. It actually works the way it looks. Okay, let's see how close we are. Yeah, that's a little on the warm side. Now, as you can see, both the holes line up, which is good, because this hole here and this hole here I'm still going to use. All I have to do is put it on the truck. Actually, I shouldn't even have to, as long as my holes are lined up. Now I mark this. See that line going across right in there. So now I gotta do is take this up and weld it so that line is pretty well straight and it matches. I weld it fast, and then I think I'll cut it off first. I'll cut it off, I'll tune that up, and then I'll weld it fast. Then we should be good. Okay, here's our piece. You gotta turn it around. As you can see, these holes are both the same. But this is the side I need to weld it on. That hole I will line up, and I'm going to try to keep it in line. I'm going to tack it like that. Then I'm going to put it on a truck and try it and see how it works. Okay, what I did was I put a bolt in here. This I'm going to use to screw down in the intake. I'm going to tighten this nut and this bolt then once it's in the intake. Wiggle this around, move this plate, get exactly where I want it, and make it real tight. Then I'm going to take it off and I'm going to weld it. This is what we got. The alignment, everything's real good. All I got to do is weld her together, primer and a painter. Okay, marked. Now we got to do is weld it up. And by the way, this was that fuel line. Up through there, behind that pump, up through there, winds around, and it goes all the way back to right there. Yeah, that was fun, to say the least. Okay, let's weld this up. Okay, we're pretty much done with my butchery. It's all welded. As soon as it cools off, you can't even touch it. I'm going to dress it up on the grinder. Make it all nice and pretty. Primer it again. And then we can paint that, and that'll be done. Then we're going to move on to getting these pesky heater hoses out. Okay, now all we got to do is clean this puppy up. Make it look like something. Then we'll squirt some primer on it. Okay, finished product. This should work just fine, just like this. Like this. It'll be about that angle. Throttle cable will go to the carburetor. Thanks for watching one of my quick flicks. Please subscribe. Have a good night.